model of electric chimney of year 2020. Let's unbox the chimney and see the product. It comes with the fitting screw and the manual. Next you can see is a clamp on which the chimney will be hung in the kitchen. This third one is the stainless steel oil collector cup used to collect all the oil when we use auto clean function. This is the exhaust pipe clamp fitted on the top side of the chimney used to hold the pipe. This third one is the expandable aluminium foil pipe which is used to take the exhaust out of the kitchen. The last one you can see in the blue color is the hood actually. In this hood it is made up of stainless steel, as you can see when we rotate it. This will be fitted on the top side of the chimney. These 6 are the standard accessories which comes with the chimney. As you can see behind me is Surya kitchen chimney model SU1001. This will be launched in 2020 February. As you can see, it comes with lots of exciting features. Surya normally launch every kitchen chimney with lots of features. As you can see, there are a lot of features. I will explain you here one by one. First one is the auto clean function. When you press this button for a long time, it will activate the auto clean. Normally this feature will be used to service your chimney. Normally cleaning the kitchen chimney is a very tough job. So for that, when we press this button, it will take around 10 to 16 minutes, depends on the dust and the oil collected inside the chimney. For that, when there are lots of dust and oil inside it, so what it will do, it will heat up all the things inside it, like the blowers, housings, motor, everything, and all the oil will come down by himself in this oil collector cup, and cleaning this cup is very easy, so that you don't need to pay a lot of money for the service people and all, and it will service by himself. The next exciting feature in this, it will have a touch panel. There is no button, as you can see. This is a complete touch panel. Lights, speed up, speed down. So it will be very convenient for the chimneys, because in the touch panel there are very less chances to get damage, but in the button panels there are chances. Oil will go inside it and it will get rusted or something like this. But for this one will be very convenient, have a long life. The next feature is it will have a wave sensors. As you can see, by waving your hand from left to right, it will switch on the chimney automatically, and same for switching off we have to wave, vice versa, that is from right to left in this manner. Sometimes while cooking the chimneys are getting very dirty or will have lots of oil, so while cooking some people don't like to touch the chimney. In this feature will be very easy. Sometimes the height will be not comfortable to touch the buttons, so just by waving the hand it will start most of the features we will require. Like when we wave like this, you can see the lights are on and the motor will be on the top speed to suction the exhaust. Normally it comes with another features, like it have a LPG sensors. Normally in case if there is no one in the house and the LPG have some leakage from the gas stove or somewhere else, it will start automatically and exhaust all the unburnt LPG out of your home. This will avoid some severe type of accidents in your kitchen. This is a real good feature. For that, our recommendation, you always have to keep the chimney with a power on mode. The next feature, it will have a good suction power of 1400 cubic meter. That means normally people ask how much time it will take to clean the air in the kitchen. Normally the kitchen size will be 10 feet long, 10 feet wide and 10 foot in the height. So for that it will take around 3 minutes. I think it's more than sufficient. The next feature, most of the people ask me, filterless chimney. Now it's a trend for the filterless chimney. And the first I will let you know what types of filters are there. Number one is the aluminum filter, number two is the baffle filter, number third is the filterless chimney. Aluminum filter have 3 or 4 layers. Number 2 is the baffle filter. Baffle filter is made up of stainless steel, as you can see in my hand now, like this. In this the oil will collected inside this. Now is the trend for the filterless chimney. As you can see it here, there is no filter. You can take it out or clean it. There is no requirement now. What it will done, it have a inside tubing system. When the oil will go inside the chimney with the fumes, what it will do, it will strike with the filters, which is fitted with the housing inside the motor. So what it will do, the oil will go from there directly to the oil collector cup. It will come automatically. So that means you don't need to clean the filter and this thing. And for servicing, 1 month you can do just one time. You can use auto clean function. It will clean your chimney from inside. So this is the new trend for the filterless chimney. And the last feature in this is with the LED lighting. Normally before, as you can see it here, before we have round types LED lighting systems. Now it has been changed completely because round light don't have sufficient lighting. Now Surya has introduced the LED lightings in the tube mode. As you can see it here, it is in the tube mode, quite smooth with a glass on it. That means it will not affect the retina of your eyes. So it will be smooth while using it. In that case, the last but not the least, it have a exciting and a useful function that it have a low noise. Normally in the kitchen chimneys, the sound level will be around 60 dB. That means if two people like to talk something in the kitchen while cooking, kitchen chimneys are how to say, bit noisy. So people cannot talk comfortably. They have to speak a little louder. But in this, as you can see it here, the voice level is quite less. We can talk easily. We don't need to speak a little louder because the kitchen chimney sound will be affecting us. The next step which comes about the fitting. Normally people will ask how much height we will need to hang this chimney upside. Normally for this it's a very standard system, as I can show you right here. As you can see here, it should be, there is a clamp which comes with the fittings and accessories. This should be fit around 4 feet up than your kitchen slab. That means if you fit this, it will be convenient to the user. It will not strike his head or something, and it will be convenient to use, and it will perform with the it will give you the best suction power. In this suction power, normally if the height is low or high, it will change a little bit. As you can see, in this you can see in the clamp there is 2 hangers, as the same as required from the chimney. Like this. For this we have a screw, but just to shorten up the video, I am not putting that, so that you can understand. Because from the upside we still need to fix the exhaust pipe, but as you can see there is no duct for the exhaust pipe, but normally in the kitchen will have. So now this is completely functional, as you can see it here. If you still need any more information or any type of installation or manual details or any other specification, or for that you can visit our website, that's shopsurya.com. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.